always got the 40. Ready for my shot head, dog, me no fear nobody. From this one, me evil killing people, I may happy. Boss I head them pop up, they got me moving like a zombie. No skin.
Reaction. Hey, don't ramp with the reaction boss. Alright, no more want everybody to leave a like on the video before the video even begins. That's the golden rule now, no dog. You see me? I say, subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers and we can do it. We're gonna do it. We just like much. How far away are we? 1,900. That's soft. That's soft like them boy we just this a while ago. People, this track dropping. This track, you know? This track dropping. This track dropping Friday. Watch the full video for the teaser. Right now we have Tough Far, right? You don't know chopping a Tough Box, you know? Official audio, you know? Spot them got them box. Remix. Beatbox. You don't know chopping. Big up Going Global Set Speed. Big up the whole Trinidad as usual. You don't know chopping. Big up you. Go follow me on Instagram at Tyree Vlogs. I'm trying to reach 10k followers on Instagram. I'm currently sitting at 1,700 followers away. So go follow me. Once you reach 10k, you know so the giveaways are going to start. Then no direction boss don't play. Run tune! Yeah. Alright then.
We no fear nobody. Yeah. Evil to you.
Bombo.
Alright then. Run up on me. Me always got the 40. Ready for my shot head, dog, me no fear nobody. From this one, me evil killing people, I may happy. Boss I head them pop up, they got me moving like a zombie. No skin teeth, put them under concrete. Boy I run like athlete, more time for me gun beat. Drop, me see him front a try retreat. But them never know about the 6 in the backseat. Jump out on the cake, clap it on the plate. Yes. We no fear nobody.
Yeah. Don't fear nobody.
Evil to you.
Don't run up on him.
Go. Run up on me. Yeah. Me always got the 40. Ready for my shot head, dog. Me no fear nobody. From this one, me evil killing people, I may happy. Boss I head them pop up, they got me.
Did he just say killing people I'm hobby? Jungle bongo. Go on.
Moving like a zombie. No skin teeth, put them under concrete. Boy I run like athlete, more time for me gun beat. Drop, me see him front a try retreat. But them never know about the 6 in the backseat. Jump out on the cake, clap it on the plate. Yes.
Jump out on the key, clap it, pan it, me bombo. Right now, I want to comment BFI emotion in the comment section. And if you watch the video right now, you don't like the video, like the video. And if you watch the video right now, you don't subscribe, dog. You know, say I want reaction boss, dog. I see him link, dog. Just a different channel, dog. You see me, I say the artists them over here, so the music with them on Tyree Vlogs and Ty Islands with the bad vlog them. So go subscribe to Ty Islands right now. You see me, I say go on.
Spam, gang. Yeah. Spam, gang. So tell me what's the issue? Youngster got the Glock ready fi blow like a whistle. Anyway, you see you better. Yeah, spam, gang. So tell me what's the issue? Youngster got the Glock ready fi blow like a whistle. Anyway, you see
big
you
up Youngstar 6. I don't know chopping now. Come go some my roll up brawling, you see me, sir. With the bumbo cloth 6 boxes, you see me, sir. I am really started, you know. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I am start the beatbox thing first, you see me. So like I'm the first person. Mr. Glenn Global release one for. You see me and say, good! Then walk. Go on! Go up with that
Frank with the AR, me swear to God, I'm not gonna miss you. Yeah, try what the 6 that's another life lost. No crocodile teeth, AK shot by 10 like a shark. Light up them carrots, them puss you. Frank with the AR, me swear to God, I'm not gonna miss you. Yeah, try what the 6 that's another life lost. No crocodile teeth, AK shot by 10 like a shark. Light up them carrots, then put it in a park. Evil and don't deal with it like we.
As the dad them stand come and black as a park. Light up that bumbo clock like a Christmas tree and just plug in the light. 3, 2, 1. Merry Christmas. Say hello to my little friend. Go on!
I'm no art. Go ask the green rain dog who I thought the charts. Chinese ain't ready if you chop them up like mixed part.
Yeah.
Yeah, we love war, couldn't wait for it start.
Shut up.
1,000 rifles, so tell me how them I go last.
What?
Somebody I go did dog every time we pass.
What?
With the time to buy a bomb, my dog no care about the cost.
What?
Yeah, span gun. Yeah, span gun. Yeah, span gun. Yeah, span gun.
Reaction boss. Hey, you know what? My next this track, if them go punk your response, I want that beat. Going global. I want that beat. My next this track, if them go punk your response, this me a jump on. That beat them I go jump on. So you don't know going global, me get it. But it's right now. I give you the wickedest teaser I ever hear. Because I'm giving you a teaser for the past 2 days. Them, dog, you see me? Well, I start teasing from yesterday now. You see me? But I only started the song I get. So watch a party now, man. You ready for this? This is the baddest song you ever hear in your life. This is my first time ever recording a song. You see me? This was not even our official. This was not even a studio, I should say. You see me? You see me? So my first song, the first time I bumbo clap voice something that ask for. I don't know, I say, it not go perfect, but it's the baddest song you ever hear in your life. I mean, no say, yo, me, if me take this bumbo clap music serious, you know. If me take this music serious, you know, like everybody did, you know. But I don't need this. The reaction bosses. So because for the reaction boss officer, man, this is the teaser. You see me and say people, for the reaction boss, this track we got drop. Not if I give you the name yet, you know. But run through, right? Run through.
This direct shots me now fire and me.
Direct shots.
Miss.
You now fire and miss. Make we say who reaction boss this down the dog. You ready for this? Make we say who should have.
Oh, the TV come.
Me blood clot, my gun left on. Remember ass clot. The reaction. You brawling. I'm for one this brother there. I who them so? Who them so? Out the way. Me blood clot, my gun left on.